Nifty move. So Nifty presently is standing at the top, and we have broken previous top as well. And there is very good momentum which is picking up at this point in time. And we have also seen today a fresh breakout in private banks, which took Nifty and a bank Nifty above the resistance zone, and which shows some more legs which are there, and maybe few more stocks which will give us new high. So probably what I feel is large caps which have weightage in Nifty will move to give a move in Nifty. At the same time, mid cap may perform better, and in terms of percentage return, it will be a better pick as compared to large cap. This is one. And secondly, if I can help you on Nifty's strength holding at this point in time, all the volumes are pretty good, and but it is quite low as compared to historical levels. Volumes are picking till the time volumes are there. Nifty is going to stand, and the moment we are low on volumes and low on open interest comparatively, uh, we may find some kind of bearish leg. Maybe it could be like a sudden news event or something, because technically speaking, there are few divergences and so few of overheated zones which are there. So I've merged RSI and stochastic here. So both are overheated. If you can see, this is above this red zone, and then MACD is overheated again. It is showing a divergence, negative divergence here, and Nifty is moving up. So probably some selling or bear signal we may find anytime soon. So we need to be a bit cautious buying Nifty and Nifty related stocks, or maybe mid cap. If you are buying, you need to see specific chart patterns and realize the importance of stop loss. Without stop loss, you should not work at this point, because any sell down it will take away all your collected or hardened money. So be very specific if you're buying, and if you're not comfortable buying futures here, you can start trading options at this point. At least that is limited money you will lose. Okay. So if again you feel like having this futures in your kitty, then you can actually buy insurance, buying a put at certain point at the bottom, and secure your returns. So if you're, I mean, puts are not so. We are actually hitting the numbers. Just a second. Okay. So important is we should sustain about 10,580. That is my calculation, which I see. Anything which sustains about 10,600 or maybe 580 could remain as a stop loss. We can carry this momentum to 11,400. Then straight away some 900 points rally can start from this point. With sectors to move with at present, it is quite difficult, but it is quite noticeable from few of stocks that few mid caps are there, and this budget can have some kind of announcement which may promote further rally. So any legs to PSU, I mean there is always an expectation that budget would cover something more. So another fresh round of PSUs, and infrastructure could give some boost, and IT has not performed. So any internal strength, because I have read in newspapers that H-1B visas are actually, Trump is not promoting. So there is no renewal which is happening. So 7.5 lakhs IT or maybe some IT related services, all those people have come back to India. So maybe there will be more strength in Indian, maybe some strength which may get into IT sector as well. So farming is something which I've heard few from. I mean, agriculture is something which I've heard. 2018 is going to be an agriculture and fertilizer period. So already few charts happening amongst analysts and TV anchors. So I think budget could be a good announcement. So you can actually uh, check the things related to farming. So I think all those companies which are into trading, or maybe say you have seen Prabhat Dairy move from 128 to 228. All the stocks which are related to all agri, farming or something, they will get a big boost. All those companies which are listed, all those companies which are trading in pulses or something, they will be like multi-bagger. I have shifted part of my portfolio into commodity also. So I am also playing RM seed or something because this is going to be double now. So if you can see charts, if I can show you on a commodity, I can help you. So it's a one a good play in commodity. NCDEX. So I don't know many of you play on commodity or not, but this is now rolling. If you can see, this is happening 90-degree gradual move, and it is on collection, and people are participating well into commodity segment. And this can double. You don't have to actually go into commodities, but commodity related stock you can search. You can search onto fertilizers, which can make very good money. And NBFCs still gonna work this time well. You can look forward to this. Power is more important, so power related stocks will work really well. I like Torrent Power in my portfolio. It is there. This can double Power. I mean, if you get a bargain, if Nifty sells down, you can have this in your portfolio. So all this agri related things going to move in 2018. And I was also discussing about Anil Ambani shares. All these Anil Ambani shares are on fresh breakout, and this is like 18 months, 15 months, 12 months. After 12 months, I mean, monthly candles are showing some good performance. Oversold averages are just, getting a buy signal, and all those volumes which we require at the bottom, it is all done. So I think this will work. Defense could be one play because things will, after this, all this tensions happening with North Korea, or maybe government could give a push into defense. So we have R level. So all this, high management, high level companies which have direct touch with the government, and they can actually sway the policies, they can make the policies. We like all these stocks. I like R Naval, Reliance Defense. It's a story again. So it is good to invest. We have nothing to lose at this point. Investing at 57, 58 odd rupees, it can double anytime. Maybe some announcement in budget will take the stock above to 72, 75, which has already went, recently. It can retest the level, and this is going to be a story which I believe. So that was Nifty. Nifty was just stay cautious, as I told you. Anything negative will strike because there is already a heated price which is going on, and it is struggling to stay above. But what we want is again just a dip for a correction, just consolidation, and heavy volumes just to stay, and a good news in budget. So let's see what happens. We have result season to play. Result specific play. I think there is very much volatile market which is coming ahead. For next 10, 20, 25 days till the result season is on, and we have budget as well. So a lot of trading opportunities. All those who does daily trade and scalping, I think daily 10, 15, 20,000 is something very easily achievable on investment of 1 lakh of rupees. So maybe you can start trading options. So option gives you very good money on volatility. You buy a one lot and you easily get 10, 20, 25% return if you're on a right side, right track. So if you keep on tracking your open interest things become very easy, and you need to be specific on chart patterns. I think uh, you will make very good money. So be a eye opener to yourself, and you need to work hard for a month. If you are a daily trader, I think money is waiting for you. Okay, Nifty, as I told you, then Bank Nifty has given a fresh breakout. Okay, that's stock. Okay, sorry, that's index. Bank Nifty. Okay, anything which sustains above 25,800. It will give us somewhat 800, 600 point upward rally. So it will be like 26,400, 500 sorts. Okay, so private sector banks have started participating. So legs are fresh, and this is the only savior to Bank Nifty and Nifty participation of private sector banks. So maybe ICICI, Yes Bank. We have seen RBL. I have bought RBL in my portfolio. It's a very good breakout, and I have also bought options too. I've carried. But I could not give it because you have already hit with the two stop options stop loss, so I don't want you to be in a problem. So this was a breakout, and if you can see this, we are just generating a buy signal from an oversold zone. Momentum has started picking up, and this is after a long time we have seen such kind of breakout in RBL, and there was a huge volume interest which actually got me into the script, and you can see this is so attractive to have this breakout, and first resistance will be 555, and anyone who wants to hold this and would like to play on futures, they can. There is a gap. You can see that this is the point where it can hit. This is 557 at the top, and Monday morning, if you get this, you can buy anywhere around say 538, 536. Don't get panic if it comes down. It's good to hold. We have result of RBL on 23rd. So before 23rd, if it is hitting like 555, then you keep holding this. Then the script is heading towards 600. So this is something for all those FNO holders, and if somebody wants to buy this in delivery, they can have. There is nothing to lose. There is a huge consolidation at the bottom, and if it is striking 600, we are also not selling at 600. It may take another 2 months or 1.5 months post this result. So next quarter, I say in this quarter and next quarter, say probably 2018, next 2 quarters, I believe this stock could be like 750, 760 odd levels. So 200 rupees bump from this point, and it's a delivery, it's a hold, nothing to panic. Something which could be added in portfolio. That's RBL. Bank Nifty, I've already told it's on breakout, and that only depends that all these private sector banks stay well. So I'm talking about ICICI, I'm talking about Yes Bank, I'm talking RBL, I'm talking about HDFC. So all these banks which have weightage going to perform well, and PSUs will be also probably it will consolidate more. They will get money, so it will take time to get that consolidated balance sheet at good point and an attraction. So any sell down could be a sell at PSUs because there's a technical gap in every script. So first thing you can short is whenever there is a bearish trend, we are selling down 200, 300, 400 points. You can short sell PSU. Till then, they are going to be very much range bound. You can buy bottom. You can have stop loss. You can trade for 2, 3 rupees. Keep on trading 2, 3 rupees. It will keep on giving you that much money. But the moment you see a sell down, you can exit the script and wait for gap to be filled, and then you can buy the script. So RBL